Welcome to Freetown Farm. Today I want to show you how to use fish emulsion. It's a basic organic fertilizer. You can use it on all your plants. And I'm going to show you how to water in our transplants. We just transplanted up our tomato plants. This is a perfect fertilizer. It's a 5-1-1 NP and K, which means it's higher in nitrogen, 5% nitrogen. It's water soluble, which means your tomato plants will be able to use it right away. To mix it, you mix this into a gallon of water. Each type of fish emulsion may vary, so just check the directions, and it's usually 1 or 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. Once you mix it up, we're just going to pour it right onto the plants, and let me show you how to do that. Now, when you're starting your plants, a lot of times we start in these 72 cell trays, and there's not a lot of starting mix in there. So when you're using fertilizers on these smaller cells, try and use it at about half strength. So if it calls for 2 tablespoons per gallon, cut it down to 1 strength. You just want very low fertilizer. And for the seed starts, it's just a quick wash through. That's all you need to get in there. Water soluble fertilizer will feed through the leaves, it will feed through the roots, and you really only have to do this about once when you're in these type of smaller seed cells. When you pot up into the bigger cell, as soon as you transplant them in, you're going to want to just soak them in well. They need a big drink, they need the nitrogen, and you can do this about every 14 days or so with your tomato plants, and you can do this with other plants too. But just remember, the key is not to over fertilize when they're in these smaller cells, and then about every 2 weeks when they're in bigger transplant pots.